Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss question number 6 of construction of circles. That is, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 8 cm and angle B equals to 90 degree. Then BD is perpendicular from B on AC. What it gives? BD will be perpendicular on AC. Then a circle through BCD is drawn. Then what you have to do? You have to construct tangents from point A. So let us see the construction. First of all, draw AB equals to 6 cm. Draw AB equals to 6 cm. Then what is the next step? What you have to do? You have to draw angle B equals to 90 degree. So you know how to draw the angle of 90 degree. First of all, draw a semicircle at B, taking B as the center. Then first cut, you know it is 60 degree, and second cut, you know it is 120, and the half of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. Join point of intersection with B and the angle will be 90 degree. Now open your compass equals to 8 cm because BC is given equals to 8 cm. So to find point C, we have to open our compass equals to 8 cm. Then place on B and cut a point C at 8 cm. This is your right angle triangle ABC. Now, next step is BD is perpendicular to AC, means from B we have to draw perpendicular on AC. So how to draw perpendicular? For that, first of all, open your compass equals to the smaller side, that is AB. Taking B as the center, draw an arc. The arc is intersecting at 2 points, point A and point P I am taking. Now bisect AP. Open more than half. Then draw an arc and place on P and draw another arc. Place on P and draw another arc. Now see, this will be the method to draw perpendicular from point B on AC. So join the point of intersection with B. So till AC I am making it dotted, and now from AC to B I am making it dark. So this is your point D, and BD is perpendicular on AC. Means triangle BDC is also a right angle triangle. Then we have to draw a circle passing through BCD. Means we need to find out a point which is equidistant, or you can call it circumcenter. So you know that in right angle triangle, circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse. If angle D is 90 degree, then its opposite side will be hypotenuse. Means for triangle BDC, BC is hypotenuse. So we have to find out the midpoint of BC. So to find out the midpoint, first of all, place your compass on B and open more than half and draw an arc. Now place it on C, intersecting at 2 points. Join these 2 points and you will find the midpoint of BC, and this point is the midpoint of BC. Now this point is equidistant from all 3 points. These are B, C and D. So place your compass on this point and either open equals to C or equals to B or equals to D and draw a circle. Now to find out the tangents from point A, we know that AB is the first tangent and the second tangent will be equals to AB. So open your compass equals to AB, because you know that tangents from a point are equal. So open equals to AB and mark a point on the circumference of the circle. This will be equals to AB. Let us name the point E. Join E with A. Join A with A. Now you know that AB equals to AE, and AB and AE are the tangents from point A on the given circle. Thank you and have a nice day.